So I'll do my vows first.
You want to go first?
You want to go first?
It's up to you.
Who should go first?
Sorry.
We have a quarter.
Who wants us to go? We go first.
We are gathered here in the presence of God, family and friends, to unite Sami and Kaleb in holy matrimony. Marriage is an honorable estate and is therefore not to be entered lightly, but reverently, advisedly, soberly, and with God's blessing. Today we will receive God's greatest gift, another person to share with, grow with, be joyful with, to stand with as one when trials and tribulations enter their lives. If you are ready to assume the obligations and duties before God, as I have defined them, you will unite your hands and pledge your love and your lives to each other.
To my handsome man, words cannot describe how incredible it feels to be standing before you today. I know this many years ago, when I told you I loved you early on, that I wanted to be your wife. Our lives have been filled with so much love, laughter, and adventures throughout the U.S. and across the outdoors, a place I didn't think I'd like very much, but I've learned to love it with you. There's not a day that has gone by that I'm not excited to talk to you, hang out with you, and experience the world with you. While I know that I get on your nerves by leaving mostly dirty bowls in the dishwasher, and I promise to work on that, I stand here before you, promising an eternal lifetime with you, filled with love, compromise, faithfulness, perseverance, strength, all of which are amazing qualities that you embody every single day. You're my better half, the love of my life, and I cannot wait to start the beginning of our lives together.
5 years ago, when it initially felt like another standard spring day, I stepped into RNC Research for another standard 5 p.m. meeting. Little did I know that my life would change forever that day. I've known since then that, Samantha, you are the love of my life. There you were. You spun around in your little office chair with that bright, beautiful, but skeptical smile. The first but not last time that I would be mesmerized by it. I will always be there for you, whether it's to take care of you on a sick day, provide emotional support, or even listening to you rant about work. I promise to give you all of my love and treasure you every day. I promise to work as hard as possible to do my part in making a great life for us. And I just can't wait to continue writing chapters in our love story.
Marriage is a joyous occasion. It is connected in our thoughts with the charm of love and the warmth of home and with all that is pleasant. As being one of the most important events of our lives, its sacredness and unity is the most significant and binding covenant known in human life. Kaleb and Sami, let me charge you both to remember that your future happiness is to be in mutual consideration, patience, kindness, confidence, and affection. It is the duty of each of you to find your greatest joy in the company of the other. To remember that your love pledged today must remain undivided for a lifetime. You ready?
You know it.
Alrighty. Kaleb and Sami, having witnessed your vows for marriage before God and to all who are assembled, and by the authority vested in me by the American Marriage License Ministries and Pete's Bar and Grill, Chattanooga, Tennessee, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride. It is now my pleasure to introduce to you for the first time Kaleb and Sami Bennett.
playing video games one weekend, and we were in like 10th grade or something, and he pauses in the middle of the video game, and I was like, why are you pausing the game? He turns and looks at me, and he says, Taylor, do you realize we're in 10th grade? We're gonna be in college soon. Then we're gonna graduate college. Then we're gonna have real jobs. Then we're gonna get married. Time flies though, but it's really cool that now time can fly. You have Sami beside you. You guys connect so well. You guys are the same people in many senses. It's awesome to see you guys together, see you this happy. And I know there's gonna be many years ahead.
Sister and sister.
So Sami's sense of humor hasn't really changed much over the years, but what has changed is Kaleb entering her life. At first, I didn't really know much about this guy Kaleb, besides the fact that Sami really liked him. But now that I know Kaleb a little better, I see that he's not only Sami's type, but he's also calm, kind, and caring. He's always there for Sami when she's having a rough day or needs support. Sami will not only keep Kaleb laughing and be an easygoing wife, I know she will always be there for Kaleb in the ways that she's been there for me. I'm so happy for you both and can't wait to see where your life together takes you.
Only time will tell.